kachi putot kachi kham khia phan mute kusonsi ki tharlia sai ki pachun jelong kacharab dunsi kimi premson be Inglong pho KSA klembarim chelang petpen nonjong karbianglong DC kiman sangpi nirola phangchupia phan karchodang KSA ke doana phan ki pangrum jilapen TVDC ki pachun je puthak krapen phirangkia mai kangni Karbianglong life adap abirta long peneli sami beauty vepi pinia birtang tonpen ajponitha PGR VGR long lialong aron repen ki do tumaphan nikre phongbom ki pachitirek toya hukumalo ki damtang jakhongni phai kri siarni dongka revenue circle pen paklang bonta jakhongni phai kri hiniarni khironi mate phelangpi PGR VGR ang kangaru kidu Sanjoy Bhagot Rama Prasad Chauhan pen bangko rahinia tum Guwahati High Court long pen ki tharlia hut doning ko rahinia phan pajok ponangji mate stay order chivandelu bangso jok Facebook social media long pinang lam klanglu bangso puthak patumi Karbianglong Thomas Council CM amethang ma chithu plutsi PGR VGR ang kangaru muniratum rit ke klemadim humri damsi benar hai hui tardamlu lapen government long le ki pajok ja phan pangdak ponro lasi imithang bong kachi putot kachi khamkhia phan mute kusonsi ki tharle sai ki pachun dongji abidi sore kachi pi penchenglok kachirab dunsi kimi athe ki tharle ja phan Karbianglong Thomas Council tum kingkamisi chejor tanglo lapen bangso ki tharle chungdek jipu ningki the do pusi ASDC youth forum me phu premson bepen jakhongni phaing ko ratrogani ASDC tiri pisai hemalong phirangkia mai kangni hut lamthi chipaklang pong
not fact. Once a Supreme Court has made a verdict, a decision, how the lower courts will be able to give a stay order. So this is what we want to say. So anybody who has seen, because Supreme Court is the biggest, the most powerful courts in the country. So once Supreme Court has made a decision, why the lower courts will take that? So this is no bogus about that. This is very straightforward. And accordingly, the Karbianglong Thomas Council has started eviction process since yesterday. Right there at the ground. The notice was served on the 21st of February and yesterday was action. On 5th July, the High Power Committee meeting had there at the Taralangsu, and within 15 days from that particular day, the eviction process will start. So by 20, it passed 15 days. At 25th, yesterday we see that accordingly, that has been going on smoothly.
Lale penat tumi le lale ki jut koi bogali ke bang jilanga por hosata me labang so PGR VGR long le long bangke lake eviction bangke lake continue do po la pentela dak ideha ka tum kipu bangale hanlo je bang don ko ra hini atum bang stay order che bande pulo lale metar kali ke dam tang hor Supreme Court pen kopis order pe mala so khala so tem pen plote la lower level la so court tum la bang so stay order ki pi tho pu bang la ke mane akam se thiu la se not itum labangso Karbianglong Autonomous Council ben labangso eviction ke chenglo pose labangso ke chenglong elitum ke cherap dun nai bang ke nang so la se nitum KSA SDC KNC pen danglok Karbianglong along asong doan party doan utam individual doan atum stame Karbianglong kadu go aras tame lag non labangso eviction along anso se ke cherap dun ni phansi nitum KSA SDC KNC hen ke chuneri
News report Karbianglong live Karbi Piangbong pen kichengsi District Commissioner mate DC kiman plote sangpi nirola phangchupi henlo bangsolam theke phurki molong dupo Karbi sorlo tumta paphi phelo aprang dambom lola pen Karbia okavi pen kiplangvek neta inut Karbi pu kachipuatum anke anutena pangphutinta aningarong pro asonsi theklong lasonsi inglong pho Karbi lo charlia songlong klembarim duan chelang petpen jakhongni phaing ko ratrogani DCSI hemalong humri damsi Karbianglong DC sangpi nirola phangchupia phan karchudam tangte nirola phangchupi komatlo Karbia khe phan lapuan nongmi ki wanabang lata Karbi Piangbong pen ke chengsi District Commissioner keman abangphi komat lopu charjumemi sangpi nirola phangchupi ke chokihola nili bahawar rihajan bura phangchuar ongmekar Kalitang Horen Phangcho pen kajor derang piatum asupilo alangli haldaksi pirthe hachelo alangli bihek menta lo ke charli aning repik HSLC ke Government Girls High School pensi chipa undo HS lapen BA bangke Patgai Nagaland College pensi chipa undo lasonsi MA bangke Shillong University long pensi chipa un pamilo Kichari tangdera phi pharokreser kebra troksir kebra pho mate 1995 aningkan ACS officer chimansi Carbino Thomas Council along secretary arpu claim bom hutsi non district commissioner nangman thulu Pinpur me sangpi nirola phangchupita ahuri sike inglong pho Carbilu charlia songlong inut asongja pilo Alangli ke non Carbianglong MP ki khibom Amor Singh Tiso ahemar sorlo bangso puthak alangli phan ningkarong ningkang sampena jo KSA claim barim do an chelang petpen karcho jaimen deng ponlu pusi KSA ki claim barim songja tum lamthi chepaklang pong
Dolo lati 1959 Carbi Association ki seng ponahot Pratap Chandra Tokbi lapen asong sa Gandhiram Timung alangli tum ke seng ahot a symbol abangke inglong pho lapen Morning Star Lasi nil tum halaso aho setame halabang so a symbol men siklem mom pose ditum ka hok pe ke sia a rolong si dolo pose ditum ningje samlo lapen moto same khaing thulo nang po pe pin pen kewang thor ha ke cheng 1959 aningan ben ke cheng ben kewang a rolong si alang litan ni tum nang do lo pen ditum klem ra pen lo long pho
News report Carbing Long Live Jakhong ni phain ko rat shokarni taralang solong Karbi ronga saramei mate krapen Karbi lu charlia song KSA ki pangrum lapen Traditional Village Development Council TVDC Sonialam thia puthak phirang kemai kangni Sonsi kewangji jakhong ni phai thong kebrai siarni diphuk labalong Karbi lu charlia song KSA ki pachingrum jia pharman mei thik pondo Bangso melong KSA ro pholapen angtan KSA an parta Karbia khepen ke thekiria tumta RD ki pipen kachitong dun peja phan krame phu dhormo sing teron ahin pen pachini pong
tarik thong kebrai si jakhong asiklo dak difu along sini tum lang tum phan ke phapon pathiklo lasi la thong kebrai si arni hamphang song atante la KSA report stame isi khe phan ke mathapon pura kedam tang analam chok chok che kile la an chewarsi uthot ning chirui pen Karbia phan kirai komji mate Karbia khaya moya arbung lasu mathapon ra alang ritum aning klat et pen la kaching room long kiwang peti phansi pini rangki mai pestamene tum juni ponlo
Lapentu Traditional Village Development Council mate TVDC ningkan troksi chesong etlo lapen non kichun puang deng sidolo lasi kichun jia pora hut racharya song mate political party hamphang song tum sitame thangnat ki pasik sak dunde da jia phanta kra kongchon bang rupan hanse pen pachini pong
Ningkan surini rakit strok pen itu la bangso Karbi rong asara mei pen ang chesong bom Kisuman penangan kacing tur nang dia sampai rong tu kacing tur nang dia sampai ni ditum asawai ni ditum rong asar tum si cipare deng long nang ji pula bangsu ni ditum nang song bom pen laso bang ke lah TVDC Traditional Village Development Council la bangsu non chunji dog hullo asila bangsu chunji dog hut mangpak political organization mate social organization sita la bangsu nang kham khe dundera joy ke jorban pen ni ditum la bangsu pa chunji phansi alang itu bang khong nang thudu nang ji jongsi ladang nang kham khe dun Mane hamphang asong sita mane racharya asong sita nang hamke dun bolu tini dum Karbi rong sara him sita me ason ka prek mate angde ka prek ni dum baje song sita me ni dum matharang ko
News report Carbing Long Live Der hempi New Delhi along ki padobom World Heritage Committee tumpen ki patirpi India Exhibition along MS Hills Textile and Design Industry Cooperative Society Amen Pen Fashion Designer Hilaris Tisopi tame North East Sangkang Aparman Jasimet Pet Karbiatum Pindeng Sumpot Kilan ki paklangdun Pinpur me jakhong ni phain korai siarni India Prime Minister Narendra Modi pensi Plikebra Hangdeng World Heritage Committee tumpen ki patirpi Bharat Mandapa malong India Exhibition in Budunlo Hilaris tisopi lapuson ki thedunga chatai long karbi apindeng sumpot kilan ki paklang dun ke karbi akhe phan isi ke mesenang theklo. Athi la so chatai penta karbi ajutang jubat lapen pindeng sumpot kangchulim anparta ki mesendet anparta pirthia dang amunetum chinilong pu. Pinpur me Hilaris tisopi alangli ke vothat lang so sor bonta alangli Guwahati rong sopi along si thedin do. Alangli Guwahati along si ki do ko joini school penchinglok college ang denganta Guwahati along matsing Charlie dundo. La Sophie Indian Institute of Handloom Technology along si Handloom Technology Charlie dundo. La Somsi JD Institute of Fashion Technology along si Fashion Designing tame Charlie dundo. Nona mat alangli Hills Textile and Design Industry Cooperative Society vothat lang solong si claim bomdo. La solong arlo sumar pen arta kang duk arlo sumar tmaphan amithang king pen ki pachar jab je phan sialang li claim pi bomlo.
Dong nili Hilaris tisopi vothat lang so West Karbi Anglong pen nili phan Ministry of Textile DC Handloom and Weaver Service Center pen Delhi Bharat Mandapam Pragati Maidan along 46th World Heritage Committee meeting by UNESCO along ilitum karbi tum kachibura theranga paklaya phansi nang phalo lapen karbi anglong Assam mate Northeast angkang tp kitokan akhaya tumta kachibur atherang kithak atherang paklang polo kaldong.
Delhi Pragati Maidan apen National Craft Museum along UNESCO tumpen ki patirpi World Heritage Center along alang liphan Ministry tumpen ki pha tengsi alang li kachibura therang lan paklang dundo. Alang li laso ki paklang dunja phan Guwahati Weaver Service Center mate WSC Kachirabdun Ministry of Textile and DC Handloom atungsi alang liphan toy dundo.
Hi, my name is Brian. I'm from Canada. I am here at the Incredible India exhibit at UNESCO's 46th World Heritage Committee meetings. I'm standing here with Hilaris. She is showcasing very traditional art that is very, very rare in weaving with fabrics from Karbi Anglong in northeast India. And she's got some really beautiful work. You can see I'm wearing it now. Might pick up something later on. But very, very impressive to, again, really be in this space and see how things were done traditionally. And to revive art forms and culture and to showcase them to the international world. So really appreciative of Hilaris' work here and yeah, happy to be here.
News report Karbin Long Live. Pinya Abirta ke lapan si kang ton poniglong Kardong.